Tyler had to turn his truck off for the lady to hear us and what's going on.
It won't crack.
Are you serious? Okay,
Yeah.
Okay. I was about to shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, your god.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah.
What the crap?
I thought you knew that.
No.
We're gonna put this camera down now.
They got
some money.
Yeah, my muffler fell out from under my truck today. It's in the back of my truck.
Well, I couldn't hear nothing.
And then it wouldn't crank.
Get the money. Where's the money?
And dimes, by the way.
Hold on this.
This nigga trying to pay in dimes. Oh, I just said nigga.
Oh, that's one.
One.
Oh,
no!
Look at
Oh,
this one.
God. One.
We got one.
$1.
50, 60, 70, 80, 90. $2.
$2. One time. 2 times. Is that a Band-Aid? Safety first, kids. Always have a Band-Aid in your truck.
The $3.
$3.
Yeah. Oh, 25. Almost positive I have. Oh, there's a nickel. 30, 40, 60, 70. What is that for?
$4.
$4.
Yo, a quarter. And I'll dance for you. Give me a quarter.
Oh.
$5.
547?
You
47.
need 47 cents.
40. 50. That's what's up. Yes.
One moment, please. Thank you.
So we just paid in dimes, nickels, and now the truck will move. In quarters.
She didn't count it. It was only like $3.
And now.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, we sat there and counted
It
it.
was a little bit over. It was like 3 cents. No, I have 3 pennies right here.
Don't hit the window. God. Oh, I want to hit her. No, I don't. I know her. Did it go and get that dude chick? It looked back.
I don't know if I should shut it off or not. I don't think it'll crank back up. Don't do it.
Don't do what?
Open the door.
I'm not gonna open the door.
Straight.
Ah! Ah!
I heard a poke.
Ah! Ah! Look at the dog!
Where's it at? Oh.
Right there in the car, in the truck, in that thing. Oh, thank you. Come again. Hey, how are we gonna get around this obnoxious bastard in front of us?
Turn.
Oh, yeah. Put that.
Hold this.
Put that. I don't want to hold that. You got plenty of room right there. And
Hey, Jig, you listen here.
we driving away now. Bye bye, Mickey D's.
Why are you gonna get over here and turn that way? Fat crap. Oh wow, you have to turn this way.
What?
Oh no, we don't.
Wait a minute. Okay.
We're going
Wait,
this way.
Tyler, this is the wrong direction, ho. This is the wrong direction.
Realize this.
This nigga's going in the wrong direction. Oh shit! Oh shit!
So loud.
Woo! Woo!
My truck's so loud because I don't have a muffler.
So we can be every press fast forward.
Oh no.
Oh!
I almost ran a red light. Well, they're getting.
Stop at the red light.
I'm gonna stop way back here.
Why? So you can just blast off. What? Look at him. Stopping way back here.
Now we're just rolling.
We're rolling. Hey, yo! What? Any last words? I'm done with this.
Why'd you pick all my cords up?
What? I thought there was an iPod connected to it.
No.
I was like, hey.
There's a green light connected to it.
What?
See the green light?
Oh. Yay, green light.
I wish that light was green.
I wish that light was green too. I think red light, red light, red light. It looks orange on the camera. light, red light, red light. Turn green. Green light.
Oh, it just that was
Green!
way to run a red light. Oh well.
Oh, what a jerk.